hair, makeup, nails, bitch, yes, I slay. I be giving face, eyebrows on swim.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications when I post new videos. Today I'm going to be doing this bold green and gold look using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Orange and Gorgeous palette, so stay tuned. First things first, as you guys can see, I'm applying the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Erasing Primer like I always do before I put on any makeup, just so I can have a clean finish. I like this primer because if you're having any breakouts or dealing with acne, this primer actually helps to smooth out those areas of the face and give your foundation an even surface to work with when you are done and the look comes together. I never really get into how I do my eyebrows because everybody has their different methods of how they do their own eyebrows. So I will tell you guys that I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Concealer palette, and I think it's great because I just found out about this palette. I never even knew nothing about any makeup brand called Black Radiance. Like, have y'all heard of them? But yeah, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Concealer palette to clean up my eyebrows, and I really like this palette, y'all. Do y'all see that? Okay, you guys, I like this Black Radiance Concealer palette so much. I saw that it had a color correcting shade, so that's what I'm using right now. I'm going to apply the color correcting shade to my hyperpigmented areas under my eyes and around my lips. I like to apply a color correcting shade because for me, it makes my foundation look even when I'm done. Right now, as y'all can see, I'm just blending out the color correcting shade so it can blend in with my skin before I put foundation on. Okay, y'all, now that I'm all done blending in color correcting shade, I'm going to go in with this MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NW48. And y'all, to see how this foundation blends out, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender for the first time because I see a lot of people, they apply their foundation with a damp beauty blender. So I'm going to wet this EcoTools beauty blender with the Morphe setting spray, and then I'm going to just apply and blend the foundation out. Okay, as you guys can see, it is blending out very well. I think this was a good idea to blend out this MAC liquid foundation because I'm not really used to using liquid foundations, so that's why I'm just trying this damp beauty blender thing. But yeah, it worked. Moving right along, right here, as you can see, I'm applying the Candid Concealer by Revlon in the shade 060. All of my regular viewers may be used to me just using one concealer, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer, but like as y'all can see, I haven't used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in this video yet, besides like I will be contouring with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. But like I'm trying to try out new concealer brands because y'all know that the LA Girl Pro Concealer was my holy grail. Like that was the only concealer I used. Now you can see that I am contouring my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany. If y'all made it this far into my video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for post notifications. For the makeup videos that I already posted, I always mention the product because I try to use my favorite products, and y'all can see how like I like them, and I tell y'all a little bit of how I feel about the product. But if you have any questions, you can ask me down in the comments, and I will respond to your question about any products that I'm using in the video or any products that I have used in one of my other videos. So I just wanted to let you guys know. One quick thing, I forgot that I didn't highlight my nose, so that's what I'm doing. Still using the Candid Concealer. I went ahead and highlighted my nose really quickly. Okay guys, now as you can see, I'm setting my concealer with the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Terracotta. Usually I would use the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana, but I'm trying the shade Terracotta out for the first time, and honestly I think it's a better fit for my skin color. Keep that in mind. Like, if you're a darker complexion, I feel as though the Terracotta shade would match you better than the Banana shade. I'm using another Black Radiance product. This product is the bronzer, and I'm using this to set the concealer that I use to contour my face. Guys, right here I'm dipping back into the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Terracotta so I can carve out my contour a little bit more for a defined look. For this look, guys, I'm going to let the Revolution Luxury Baking Powder set on my face until I'm done with the eye look. Now for the eyes, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to prime my eyes for eyeshadow. Right here, I'm just applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer to my eyelids, and I'm going to try to blend it in very smooth and evenly. Okay, for this eye look, I am only using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Arm and Gorgeous palette that I was so excited to get. I know this palette is not new, but it's new to me, and I was so excited to get it. And I'm so excited to use this palette for the first time in this tutorial. I'm gonna be honest, at first this eye look was not planned, but I know y'all already saw how it turned out, so I made the whole video revolve around this gold and green look that I did not plan to do at first, but it all came together. I really like this palette. First, for my transition color, I'm gonna go into my crease with the shade named Agent in the palette. It's this dark orange shade, and I really like this color. Now with this dark brown shade named Prowl, I'm going to go to the outer corner of my eye and smoke it out a little bit and make it a little bit more bold. Basically with the shade Prowl, I'm going in and I'm going to swipe kind of in the triangular motion at the corner of my eyes to give a cat eye effect. Now I'm going to go into this fun olive green shade called Top Secret, and I'm basically going to apply this all over my lid. So far, I am liking this palette. Like, the pigmentation is so good, y'all. Like, I really like this palette, especially that green color and the gold that I will be using. I really like these colors in this palette. And you can comment down below about any makeup palette or any makeup product, period, that you guys would like me to try in one of my looks. Right here, I'm going to take that Black Radiance palette once again, and I'm going to create a cut crease to apply that gold color later on for the inner corner of my eye. Okay guys, now we are 10 minutes in this video. If you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like this video because you watched it for 10 minutes. Thank you for supporting me. Now I'm going to take that beautiful gold color, which is called Coin in this palette, and I'm going to apply it right over the cut crease that I just created. Right here, I'm going into that green shade again called Top Secret, and I'm going to try to blend the green shade out a little bit more. Now for the very outer corner of my eye, kind of like a eye highlight, I'm going to go into this white glitter color, which is called VIP. Moving right along, we are going to go into this orange shade called Access, and I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. And once again, I'm going to take that VIP shade and I'm going to apply it to the inner corner of my lower lash line. Now that I'm all done with applying my eyeshadow for this eye look, it is finally time for me to brush off that setting powder. Right here, as you guys can see, I'm going to take the Black Radiance bronzer once again, and I'm applying a little bit more bronzer to my contour. Right here, I'm taking a liquid black eyeliner by Arcade by Kiss, and I'm going to create the wing effects on my eyelids. Guys, for me, it is so hard for me to get the wings of my eyeliner to look exactly alike, and I am such a perfectionist when it comes to that. Like, I do not want two different wings. Like, what is that? But with makeup, you can make mistakes like I did, and I had to cover it up with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I messed up on the wing eyeliner a little bit, so right here I'm just taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm going to straighten up my wing and like carve out the shape. I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome, as you guys can see, and I'm going to apply this highlight to my face. This is the gold metallic highlighter, and I really like this. I know y'all know I like this. I use this highlighter in all of my videos. Highlighting is my favorite part of completing my look, because as y'all can see, this look is almost done. Now on to my lips, guys. I'm going to use this burgundy red lip liner to line my lips for lipstick. Now on to my lipstick. I'm going to take this L'Oreal Paris lipstick and I'm going to apply this shade, Fairest Nude. It is a very pretty pink nude color. Now I'm going to take this mascara, the Maybelline Plumped Up Colossal Mascara, and I'm going to apply it to my bottom lashes. And as you can see, I also applied false lashes off camera. Now that this look is complete, last but not least, I am going to apply my Morphe setting spray just so my look can last a little longer throughout the day. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope you guys like this look. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thank you for watching.
Yikes.